Okay, it's now the time for the last phase of the process, the edge banding. Paolo is setting the height and the type of the edge according to the information that he read on the label of the panel. Now we close the machine, and Paolo is setting the parameter on the control panel. And we are ready to push the start button and load the panels. As you can see, you can also take 2 panels at a time because the feed track has a speed of 9 meters per minute. So you will be able to position the first panel, wait a few seconds, and position the second panel. Then Paolo will take the first panel coming out from the machine and go back to the initial phase of the processing to edge band all the sides, all the edges of the same panel. While Paolo is performing all the edge bandings in the machine, I will speak to you a little bit more about the ME40. So the ME40 is a high productivity machine. Is an edge bender that has a particular feature, that is the capacity to obtain a finished product of a high quality. This is thanks to the rounding unit device that is a very new device on this machine, as an implementation and an improvement compared to the previous version of the machine. The rounding unit allows you to obtain high quality finished product without any further processing. This is not the only new device on this machine. In fact, we have a very brand new device that is the nesting cupping device that allows you to edge band panels that have seats for hinges. This is very important because you can make the boring processing on the panels, and after you can edge banding them. So you can also have the trimming unit on this machine, and for sure the edge scraping unit. In fact, the ME40 is the most customized machine in its technological range. As I told you at the beginning, the feed track of this machine has a speed of 9 meters per minute, the fastest in the Minimax range. And another very important point to speak about is the fast draining system of the glue pot that you have on this machine. In fact, the draining system, the fast draining system, allow you to use polyurethane glue on the machine. As you can see that the whole process is very fast and it's very clean as well, because Paolo just positioned the panels at the beginning of the machine, at the starting point, and recovered them at the end of the processing.